So traders, today we're going to be looking at a bit of just a short-term technical analysis on the good old stock market. A bit of an update for you guys across the markets. Plus also, there's one thing that I want to share with you that I'm seeing across the markets, across the people that I'm speaking to. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, before I get straight into it guys, I'm hearing so many people that don't even actually have a trading strategy, a really good proven trading strategy that works on any market in any time frame. So I've just put up a brand new training walking you through all the details to my trading system. I show you exactly how I scan the markets, how I find the trades, and also some things you need to understand about trading as well too, right? So I've put that training up today, guys. If there's the very first thing in the description, click on that and you'll be able to go over there and you'll be able to get instant access to this training. It's a full deep training. I teach you everything about the actual trading course itself as well too. And so just make sure you go do that right now, guys. So let's actually talk about the stock market. So the S&P 500 on a short term, again, this is short term TA, guys, short term technical level. What we're seeing here right now when it comes to the stock market is we're still getting this on a short term. Again, this is one thing that's important to understand, guys, for you guys that watch my videos, is that sometimes I do big picture analysis, like it might be like an inflation number. Those things slowly take time to unfold in the stock market, okay? Big picture analysis or long-term major support lines. But right now, what I'm looking at is the short-term picture. What's the short-term picture telling us? So looking at this short-term technical analysis, one thing we can see still is that we definitely do still have, I would say, this area through here, possibly a bit lower, but that area through there, maybe even a bit higher, actually, I would say. Maybe through there, as you can see, right? That was that resistance through there. It came up, gave us a bit of a false breakout. Now, false breakout, why? Because look at this here. Resistance came up, gave us a false breakout. It actually came down, bounced, came down, lower high, came down, and now we're moving up through this here. Are we about to get a drop in the market from this level? Because guess what? What are we doing here? High, lower high, and a lower high in the markets, okay? This is the S&P 500, okay? Now, remember two trades, okay? Some people just... There are multiple markets that I look at, okay? You got the bond market, you got the crypto market, you got commodity markets, you got all these other markets out there. Some of you bumblebees read the title and then like, bah, 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 bah. It's like, John, you said the market's gonna crash yesterday, now you say it's gonna boom. It's like, you know there's two different markets, you know there's multiple different markets out there, right? Oh, okay, I might be talking about the commodity market. Now I'm talking about the stock market. So, what's the number one thing, guys? Number one thing is what we just need. If we're short-term traders, we're getting in and getting out at least on a few-day basis. We need to be what? Keep an eye on the short-term technical level basis here. So we could be getting ready for a move on the downside here soon on the S&P 500. And if we do, then that could possibly start to see a cascading effect of the market starting to roll over here. So that's the first thing I do see there. One thing I do see by looking at, so let's go look at we'll go look at the Dow Jones and look what's happening on the Dow Jones. What the Dow Jones is still doing what? We're still doing this, right? We're still doing that through there. See how look at this here. We're squeezing up through here. And we've got this here. So we have a high, a lower high, and a lower high through here, right? So we have lower highs in the markets coming down from there. So when we have that and we're at this resistance level, and we're getting this move up through here, see how this is now, this is actually quite a weak pullback. So we could be getting ready, right? This could be getting ready for something like this to happen. And if we get something like that, guys, we could be getting ready for a free fall in the markets out of this, because we're right at the juncture of the market's in a downtrend, and now we're getting a pullback, and we could be seeing that coming real soon out of the market. So it's going to be really interesting to see what actually happens here on a short-term, again, technical level basis there on the good old Dow Jones from that perspective there. Let's go look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, guys, I'll tell you right now, the Nasdaq's the one that is just completely boggled my mind. It really, it boggled my mind. It boggles my mind because I'm just like, there's really no good clear analysis here. If I'm going to do some sort of TA on this one here, we've got possibly we do have a bit of a trend line coming up from there to there, I would say. That'd be the trend line there. And then we have also this sort of level coming down from there to there, as you can see. So again, squeezing up into that triangle pattern there. What's going to happen here on the Nasdaq? Really, really, really interesting. Are we about to filter through here and break to the upside? Or are we about to hold here, create like a bit of a double top, and then start to move back down, looking at the good old Nasdaq through there? So really interesting stuff through there, guys. Looking at the Russell as well too. The Russell's the one that's really, really sort of, the interesting thing is the Russell's right now still down at these ultra low levels through here. And as you can see, we're still down at these ultra low levels through there. Support, 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 right? All through there. So they're all the big things that I'm seeing right now, right? These are all the big things I'm seeing right now when it comes to the good old stock market. And what I'm noticing, the most important part, guys, is that we just need to keep an eye on the markets for that. And remember, traders, before I start getting into the mining sector, remember, traders, okay, it's important that you trade based off a trading system, a trading strategy. Okay, first thing in the description, go click on that. I teach you my trading system for free. And I also have just a few more spots open for my coaching program. So if you're interested in my coaching program, firstly, go watch that training, first thing in the description, or go to johnsfreetraining.com. Go get access to my trading system, guys. It works on any market, any time frame. And then also, if you're interested in me coaching you and helping you, and also you actually coming along and you watching me trade every day, and you see exactly the trades I actually do take every day, then also you can apply for the coaching, very first link in the description there, after you've watched that free training. So firstly, go get access to the free training, guys. That free training will teach you exactly what to look for yourself, so you don't need my coaching program. You know exactly what to do to go look for these really high quality trades. And then also, secondly, if you do, then you can actually get access. You can apply for the coaching program from there. So go do that right now, guys. I think I've got a couple of spots left open for that there. I'm going through applications right now. So let's go look at the good old mining sector, the mining sector, right? So let's look at the GDXJ and look what's happening here on the GDXJ. Oh, by the way, guys, people have been asking me about my investment stuff like that. See this purple line here, guys? And I know this sounds like crap, but it's like, ask my private clients, right? If you're actually with me every day when I'm actually trading the markets, you'll see this here. But that purple line there, that's actually my break-even level for all my entire investments for the GDXJ. I know most of you guys don't believe that, but I don't care. Again, hop into my live room every day, and you'll be able to see people can back that up. But that's my break-even level there on this GDXJ for my longer-term positions, right? And as you can see here, like low, and now making a higher low through here. Very, very, very significant higher low. We look at the weekly charts through here as well. And as we can see, right, we're starting to potentially getting ready to have a breakout. And we could be majorly forming a bottom here right now. So many people have been focused on the crypto market, but I've been saying for so long, the mining sector, 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 right? That's what we could be looking at there and watching for. So the GDXJ, we're developing this higher low through here, and we could start to see a very big, strong move to the upside from there as well. Moving over now through to we'll look at the GDX through here, and the GDX is actually starting to slowly break above that level there. That probably doesn't mean anything right now. We're almost at a bit of a double top, and we've had a big move. So I wouldn't be too surprised, guys, to actually see the GDX actually maybe potentially have a slight little pullback first before continuing up from here. But very, very, very strong movement. Look at this here. This resistance back here is now becoming support all through here as well too. So that's what I'm seeing through there on the GDX. And let's go have a look at the good old gold price as well. And gold is actually doing exactly what I thought it was going to do, guys, which is just getting a bit more sideways movement from here. As you can see, we're developing this sideways movement. I want to see this 52 start to kick up from there, right? Let's actually start to get a bit of a momentum kick back up on through there. If that does happen, then we can see that we're probably going to start to make a move to the upside from there, right there, and then maybe a sideways movement, and then possibly a break up to the upside from there, from looking at that. But once gold does start to break above this sort of 2,100 level, then we're probably going to make a very big strong move to the upside from there. So the 2,450 level from there. So that's what I do see from there. So there we go, traders. Hope this helped you out. Traders, if you haven't done so yet, see that trading course there. I'm actually giving this away for free. Like all the details, all the videos there you see, I'm actually giving this away for free. So if you do need help with some, maybe you're making some mistakes in the markets right now, you're not sure, well, video number one's for you. If you want to learn actually just how to read the market properly, how to read the charts properly, then there's 2 or 3 videos in there for you. Again, if you'd like to learn what I call my short-term income trading system, that's in there for you as well too. There's a lot of stuff in there that you're going to get from that actual trading course itself. So just make sure you go get access to that trading course. Or if you just want to go simply straight to my trading system, my number one trading system I trade every day, very first link in the description there. And then also if you want to apply for my coaching program for the last few spots that I got open for, then the very first link in the description, go get access to that free training. And then at the end of the free training, you can apply for the coaching program. Go do that right now, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.